Hello, this is a tutorial video on administering this WordPress website. WordPress has been around for about 10 years and it's come a very long way. And what we have here is a custom theme built for Nettles Island Marina that we went through the design process with. That's a responsive theme, so it has a mobile-friendly version. Everything scales down accordingly. Things stack on top of each other, so you get a mobile version as well. So a few things we're going to cover in this video. Obviously, logging in, changing out pictures, changing out content, changing out headers. And one important thing to know is that the front page of the website is put together differently than the rest of the pages. So the front page originally is all hard-coded, but we make some of these different text areas editable, so you can change out the images and text on the front page. So first off, I'll show how to edit the basic pages like About Us, the Marina, things like that, and then we'll move into the other pages. So logging in, easiest thing to remember is just go to /admin, ADMIN. You'll have a login issued to you that you can use. So once you log in, you'll see the back end administration side of WordPress. You can save your password if you'd like, it's not necessary. And you get a bunch of different notices and things here. I usually just close these little accordion sections. So when you're logged in, you have this black bar at the top. If you want to log out, hover over the right side to log out. You can switch back and forth from the back end to the front end of the website by just clicking on this in the upper left. So it's an easy way to go back to front. So there's a few different ways to edit all the pages. I commonly like to go to the Pages tab and do it from there, so you can actually see all the different options for pages that are in the site. You can also get to it by navigating to a particular page. And there'll be an edit page button on the top. So let's talk about editing the About Us page. So I'm on the About Us page, and you can see here we have a big image, we have a header, we have a subheader, and we have a text area, and what's called a carousel or slide. So I'm going to click on Edit Page. And you'll see over on the right column, there's a featured image. That's going to be your header image. So if you wanted to change out that big header image that shows up in the background behind the text, you would do that here under featured image. A lot of times I like to slide this up to the top. You can move things around here. So looking in this main area here, you'll see we have Site Origin Editor and Site Origin button. So the Who We Are section of text is going to be edited right here. You can change the title, you can change the body, and the What Our Customers Saying. That's actually coming from the testimonials, so we'll talk about that in a second. If you look over on the left, you'll see testimonials here. So that's a special widget that actually pulls testimonials from this section of the website. Below that, you have these two sections, Yoast SEO. This is for search engine optimization. It will give you some suggestions on what you should do to make your page more optimized. And then Below that, you'll see header fields. So on top of that big image that's at the top of the site, that's how you can update the subheader. If you wanted to update the main header, you would change the title of the page, but I think all of those should be pretty much set in stone at this point. So that's your basic page. Let's get to a page that has a photo gallery on it. This one, and same goes with the Marina page. If you go to edit page, you'll get this page builder that has the different images, editors, and you'll notice it kind of takes the same shape, the rows and columns, as the layout of the Marina page. So image, text, image, and then here you got image, text, image. So under gallery, if you go to edit this page, let's say you wanted to change the photos here, go to the editor, you'll notice it has this photo gallery, what's called a shortcode, in between brackets. So that's actually pulling the photo gallery from the Enviro Gallery section, which is also over on the left bar. So if I wanted to update photos in this gallery page, I'd go over to Enviro Gallery, and you'll have a photo gallery here. That's for the photo gallery page. Go ahead and click edit, and then you can either select files from your computer or select files that are already uploaded, and then you can even change the order of them. So one important thing that I didn't mention about editing pages is you always want to click the update button that's on the upper right. Once you make your changes, you always need to click this update button. So looking back at the About Us page, if I had updated something here and added some text, I'd click done, and then over here, click update. And that's what actually saves the change. Now, the site is cached in a global CDN or content delivery network. So in some instances, you might not see the change take place right away as it propagates and the browser cache has to expire. Looking at it in an incognito window or private browsing window sometimes does help bypass that cache if you want to see changes in real time. But from most of when we make edits, if you are logged into the site as an admin and you go to view page, you'll usually see it right away. The only other thing here, I guess we need to talk about the front page, but all your testimonials for what our customers are saying, those will be coming from this testimonials section on the left. So let's look at the front page. So going to the front page, I clicked on edit page. I'm going to go ahead and take over. So there's the same thing we talked about it with the rows and columns and the widgets. You know, if you wanted to change a particular image next to the what we offer section, that's where that image is. You can see what we offer, our services, but this front page field section here has a lot of the content in it because it's a custom layout. So like the main slideshow header, the second header, the text underneath the slideshow, the text for what's nearby, and the text for start your voyage. Those are going to be in those fields here. So you'll just be editing it in a little bit of a different manner just because it's the front page. And that basically covers it. If there's anything else you need to change, some of the sections are hard-coded, like these sections here. You could just let me know if you want to be able to change that moving forward, or if it's just a one-time change, you can just email me that for support. And then down at the bottom, very bottom of the website, this section that shows up on every single page of the site for About Us and Photo Gallery, This particular section is hard-coded, and then the contact information and menu at the bottom, these are also hard-coded. So these few areas that show up on every page of the site, you can't edit unless you jump into the code, so you can just reach out to me with that change and I'll make that for you. And that's it.